Attention TV no ani gu so a wo hwe ena no pekwe ntwo matranse senso de na me se ne die mu like Attention TV na subscribe Attention TV I ne feel ekwe ntwo na ma me text message na me nsanso enkan kama Ignatius Annor eye abrantio so no kama ka se o ma me de back school na no brofo eye de pa Annor yo bia or ye one of them na no brofo de na oye adwuma ewo Metro TV nti se sia de oye former presenter ewo Metro TV na oye adwuma wo ho na branti wo hwe ne ye ne niema ne se ne okasa ne se ne odanda ne ho na Ghana fo de ye de ni hwa de ka asem ye se abemu e wo hwe se ne oye ne ho ahwa se bi wo be ye sa trumutrumufo fo bi sister wo bi de gira ne to pa se ne wo ye ne ho danda ne ho no we nti enu nti opiemu ewo state amoaten show so eye restoration so ayo bisa wo mo nsem no Stacy bisa no se amanfo keka se wo ye gay den na wo ka wo se wo no hun kronkron eta aka sachre ne papa wo no sa enne ne kra de wo tepa na enso te na nakoma ye ne gbungba ai se wo hu bone a na nakoma ebo se gbungbungbun ne wadwane wonye gay da wonji ntum so da nyame ambone se wo me bi da sa na wo boa Eyesro enam adwuma oye o Metro TV nti we nti yesenya kwanya ama ne ko sha brochre hono ene ne ye ntv say 3 years na just covid nim ye ne kasa ye na wo se ane ampa enam Ghana force ne ye society ne tina ye ngi sa ne ma ne ntum no na wo ye gay pa wo ye bi na so na wo sro enam na adwuma nti wo beji atum say asa act no wo ye no tina wo twa ntro e wo Stacy show so a wose wono wonye bi da sesi ade wogitum se woye gay asesi ade wakosha America meme ho de ekoso nti waye free anase wonya fa ho de wonya freedom bia ewo so otumi ka eye bold ebe ka sesi ade woye gay sesi ade Ignatius Annor waje atum se woye gay mayenti ono ankasa no numbro fo se ne woka eye dembra.
Some people say outside that you behave gay. Are you gay?
Oh my!
Or were you gay?
Oh my!
Or are you intending to be gay?
No, I can't. I can't, but I've done things before. I have done things before. I didn't know that it was
wrong.
I didn't know that the things that I have done, I was being used. But anytime I had gone to do something that is wrong, or in the process of doing that which is wrong, and here's how I know that today. That my Holy Spirit tells me that it's wrong, don't do it.
Don't do it.
My heart keeps bump, like a force. I've done things before. I have been to places. I've done things in the past.
You keep leaving me hanging. Been to places.
Wow.
Should I help you find the word?
No, don't help me find the word.
Let's get a personal story from Ignatius Annor. Ignatius, I'm grateful for your time. So you have never said this anywhere. This is the first time you're speaking about this. Tell us your story in Ghana before you left the country.
Well, Aisha, thank you for the opportunity to speak on such an issue that has been controversial for centuries, and we all know the reasons why. I want to say this on record. I know for some people who are seeing me through this very lens, it might sound a bit contradictory, and that's because in the past, I had denied my truth. I had denied the fact that I was gay. And I did that because of the fear of losing my career. You know, at the time, I practiced broadcast journalism in Ghana for a number of years, and being on TV and being outed brought a lot of pain to my life. One that you would have to live within the members of my body to understand. So much so that it got to a point I returned to Ghana from studying in the UK, looking for a job at the media houses that I wanted to work with in Ghana, and nobody was ready to give me a job. And that's just because of the stigma that surrounds my community. So this is going to be the very first time that I'm using your medium to say that not only am I an activist for the rights of Africa's sexual minorities, what you will call the LGBTQI community, but I am gay. It is a truth that I've accepted, and it is a truth that I live by. And so just to answer your question, because I was outed as a gay person, and obviously I denied it because I was afraid of losing my job. I was working at an incredible television station in Accra, and also for the fear of what would happen to me personally. I can share stories about people that have been attacked just because they seem to be a particular way, and I didn't want that to happen to me. So I would also want to use your medium to say and apologize to the people that my community that I've let down over the years simply because I didn't have the courage to own my truth and live it as somebody who was, in the media.
Ignatius, so how does it feel like being in the midst of all the public anger towards your sexuality?
It's very sad. It doesn't feel okay. I'm speaking to you right now, and I can even feel the fear and the anxiety within my heart. That's the feeling for LGBTQI people, because you're not allowed to openly say who you are, or even love on who you want to love on, or have that kind of love reverted to you as well. So it doesn't feel okay. It doesn't feel like, I'm a human being who deserves the right to employment, the right to education, and literally the basic right to be able to walk, drive around, go to wherever that I want to go to in Ghana as an openly gay man. It doesn't feel okay. It feels dehumanizing and awful.
Wonders shall never end. Annor dio. I know mama e wo he kra. Ana mama fo no so e wo fe. Abrante kama. Na enso hwe bi ode na brabo afa. Mese se obe like am I what e kwentwa makra.